Yeah,
That one?
okay. Yeah, we just moved in, so this is all from a genetic lab.
Okay.
They didn't give us the keys.
So what's inside? Who knows?
I don't know what's inside. I
Yeah.
know it's full of ice, so I was gonna take it out and thaw it. That's all.
You thought about taking these screws off or no?
Oh yeah.
It might.
They have tools here.
There you go. How do you do it?
It might be so. It smells thinking that it's frozen. You got it though?
Good pick. Definitely moved.
Yeah, I'm thinking it might be frozen shut.
Alright, so it looks like it's just all this ice right now, huh? Yep.
Oh, yep, dead body. Yeah, that's a lot of ice.
Wait, this is a...
Yeah, so these actually open, and there's shelves in here.
That's funny. Wasn't in the job description, but that's okay.
Locksmith and the icer.
Yeah. I don't want to go off the, there you go, there's that handle.
Yeah, there's.
Should have taken it outside.
What it was, I was gonna take it outside and under the carport and let it thaw.
Yeah.
But, who knows how bad it is on the inside.
Right.
We still couldn't get into it, so. Oh, good. It's not bad. It's just.
No dead body.
No. Let's start. Sweet.
Interesting.